Hello and welcome on a new listing of breezeyachting.swiss. This one is a Mangusta 72 that has been built in 2004, but it has not been put into the water before 2011, and this was due to an engine issue that has actually never been resolved until the new owner bought her in 2011. MAN gave new engines and full 2-year warranty, and since then there has been a crew on board that has professionally taken care of this boat, giving her full transparent maintenance history that you can ask us to get. These two MAN 1500 horsepower engines are coupled to Arneson's surface drive that are cutting the water just on the edge, giving a top speed of 37 knots while blasting out a big rooster tail of water. Just imagine cruising along the coast from Cannes to Saint-Tropez to take a nice day of sun in the Bay of Saint-Tropez. Look at this beautiful sunbathing area. I mean, lying down here you can overlook the aft section of the boat, just over the garage where you have a 325 Williams jet tender, hydraulically operated garage door where you can put your tender into the water to go to the beach. We need to mention two features that are unique to this Mangusta 72 you won't find on any other of these. There's a hydraulically operated table in the middle of this sunbathing area, and the owner also installed a passer door to fully enclose the saloon behind it. Now follow me into the saloon where you have a port side and starboard side sofa lounge where you can easily fit up to 12 guests. Over here you find some more cooling space, always very important. Then you have some entertainment area where all the audio systems are installed. The nice walkway down to the saloon. Here you find a spacious fridge and an ice maker, which of course is a must for long days out in the summer. Now when we go into the wheelhouse, you see that everything is nicely in reach. The engine levers, the steering wheel, you have a beautiful overview and visibility, and also you can sit actually up to 6 people here, which is a very nice feature when you're cruising along. Imagine you have a 2-hour cruise and you can enjoy this and share with family and not be isolated driving the boat and navigating. Follow me and I'll show you the 2 guest cabins. What you will love about them is that you have a lot of space. For example, on the port side cabin you have a 3rd bunk bed that gives you absolute flexibility. You can put it down and then this cabin will sleep 3 people. Also the bathroom is very well laid out. You have a lot of space. The marble tops are real marble. It's superb quality, and you just look at the condition. I mean, everything is new and solid and shiny and has been well taken care of. You have a lot of space inside the shower. It's very classic, but it's just really nice. I have to say I'm fascinated by the condition, and look at this white pearl effect lacquer. It has just been extremely well taken care of. So in this cabin you have a queen size bed as opposed to the other cabin with twin single beds, and if you look at the wood, it's just impeccable. Also the doors here, just as it has been coming out of the factory, there is not one single stain or error or something. It's absolutely flawless. And I mean, the boat has been built in 2004, so you can really see the quality and also the care that has been coming into this boat. Let me show you 2 details I really love. Inside here there's a washer and dryer combination from Miele, professional appliances, and here you have some really good storage area where you can put all the glasses, the dishware, tableware, all the dishes, everything goes inside here. I think that's really well laid out. And then we arrive in the beautiful saloon, downstairs saloon, where you have the big windows, and already in 2004 they anticipated the trend for large open windows. You get a lot of natural light coming in, and right here you have the television, so you can sit comfortably downstairs and look at the capacity. I mean, here can 8 people can easily sit and enjoy a movie. If you follow me into the galley, you will see that the benefit of it is the enclosed compartment, so you can cook some smelly stuff. You have a lot of natural light coming in and also a lot of space, so you can actually be more than 1 or 2 people. You have a little breakfast nook in it where you can also eat something for the crew. Professional appliances from the oven to the surround field, fridges, a lot of arrangements, so you can store everything you need. Now if you go into the master cabin, which is on the front of the boat, you will have nearly a his and her bathroom. So on this side you have a toilet, a bidet and a sink, and on the other side, opposite of it, you have the shower, also with a sink, so you can brush your teeth in the morning independently, which I personally like very much. And then you have the big queen size bed, 2 portholes on each side, which gives you also a lot of natural light. And you have a lot of storage space, which you can open here. You have some cabinets down here that go up like this. And obviously also under the bed you will find some more storage. Here you have the wardrobe, spacious and beautiful white pearl lacquer interior. The blinds that go up and down, and you can also black out completely with these porthole lockers, so that you have 100% darkness at night if you prefer this. So to summarize, we have a very contemporary, still recent, classic layout, which just is absolutely timeless, with all the natural light coming in, the light wood and the combination of the materials with the absolutely mint condition panels. I think you're gonna love it. In the bow section you have a very classic and nice sunbathing area, which gives you the option to choose between the aft section or the front section to enjoy the sun. So to summarize, this Mangusta 72 is ready to go. You can still enjoy the last weeks of the season, and it has been taken care of very well. So you don't need to worry about technical issues or anything. There's a crew you can ask to do an easy transfer and show you the particularities of this boat. Contact us now for a visit on the Côte d'Azur.